Process today we are discussing about inter-STO process. Inter-STO process is nothing but like a stock transfer between the two plants across the two company codes. So even if two company codes are the different company codes, that means even two company codes are the group of companies. Even it is our own company codes also. Okay, since they are financially and they are the entity wise it is different. Okay, they have their own taxation, they have their own government subsidies, they have their own books, inventory books and financial books. Since that is happened, so it is even if it is transfer also. Okay, it is a concept of buying and selling concept only. So in buying and selling concept, you will be creating first STO PO in the who need that receiving plant the requested STO PO. By using this STO PO, outbound delivery will be created in the supply plant, and PGA post goods will be happen in the supply plant, and billing will be completed in the supply plant. Then GR goods receipt will be received in the receiving plant, and invoice will be received will be generated and created in the receiving plant, and payment will be done by receiving plant, and payment received by supply plant. So now tell me that who is the customer, who is the vendor?
Customer is the receiving plant and vendor is the seller.
Yeah. So customer, okay, receiving plant is customer. Where in supplying plant? Supplying plant or supplying company code, right? So that means I'm supplying. So for me, he is the customer because he is receiving the goods. Okay. Then who is the vendor? Who is the vendor? Supplying plant is the my vendor because he is supplying the goods to me. Okay, supplying plant is the my vendor in receiving plant.
Receiving.
Receiving plant or receiving company code. Okay, so that means when you creating the customer, you need to create in the supplying plant or supplying company code, sales organization and supplying plant company code. Okay, and when you creating the vendor, you need to create in the receiving company code or receiving purchasing organization the supply plant. Okay, clear? Is it clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
I'm assuming that he is the my vendor. Supplying plant is the my vendor. I'm assuming that the receiving plant is the my customer. Like that, I have to. Okay, clear? Now you have to create a customer number. You have to create a vendor number. So for this, what you need first, you should have the two company codes. Okay, two company codes you should have. Okay, and two different sales areas. If you have different sales areas, okay, or it is the same also, no problem. But okay, two different sales areas, that means sales organization and distribution channel division. Okay, so division, that sales area is the combination of these three. Okay, and you can create okay, you can create material master data level. To create a material should be extended to both supplying plant and receiving plant with proper sale data. That means sales organization and distribution channel. Okay, so do you have that two company codes? Have you created yesterday the company code? Have you created a company code?
I have one extra,
Okay, you have one company code.
but yeah, I didn't set up any other thing. Like I have plans and company code is set up, but set up.
Okay, okay. So Shravan, do you have company code? Okay, I
I
will do
have
one.
the
Okay, I will do one thing. I will quickly create one company code. Okay, I will quickly create one more company code. Or if you have company code, tell me that. Shravan, you created already company code, right? Let's try that now. What is the company code? Your company code?
I have created only company code, sir.
You have created only company code. Plans and all not created.
Only one company code, sir. That is RMA.
Sorry.
Only one company code I have created, sir.
What company code? What is the company code?
RAMA.
RAMA Rama. Okay. So let me write here the company code. First company code is okay. GCE, right? And
GCEM.
the other company code is Rama, right? And plans. So one is GCEM and another one is your company.
RASH.
Huh?
RASH. RASH.
RASH. Okay. So this is our plant. And have you created any sales organization? I think you are following 1000 only, right?
Yes,
1000
sir.
and 01. This is the combination which they are following. Now, for you, Shravan, you have created any sales organization?
No, sir.
No. Okay, let me check that. RASH, right? Okay, so let's go to that. Go to logistical general, or go to assignment. First, go to assignment and go to sales plant and logistical execution and shipping point. Okay, we'll go for first sales and check that assign organization, sales organization. So Rama. Okay, so let's try. First check that your company code. Rama. So Rama is not there. It is not assigned to any of the sales organization. Okay. Okay, so there is no plant assignment also, I think. So you have copied from, right? Okay, plant RASH. Okay, so it is assigned to 1000 only. Okay, 1001. Okay, okay. I'll just try to do this one. Okay, it was already assigned to 100101. Okay, I'll just check for 1000 sales organization. Okay, it was assigned to this, but it's okay. And assign distribution channel division. Okay, this is okay. And division to sales organization, setup sales area, this is also okay. It is already assigned there. And this is the which we have 1000 and 01 and RASH. So this already it is there. Okay, so now let's take our material first. Okay, so anyway, this material already extended to one material which we already extended, right? So I'll take the same material. Okay, and I'll go to that, extending this to the other plant which is in the different so that is RASH is the plant. And what is the store location? Do you know that? RA TRS. Okay, TRS is the strength. And I will go to distribution channel division. Okay, I'll just put that, or sales organization distribution channel, and this one. Okay, so I'm just copying here. Okay, in this So you can update all the details. Okay. So let's put 130, and I'll also do the supplying plant is RCM, put GCM. Okay, now save. So the same material which is extended to our RASH. Okay, RASH also it is extended. So you can go to MM60, check this material was extended to your plant. RASH is extended. So different price. Your price, different price is there. Here it is different price is there. So I will take okay. FT, right? I will take the same valuation class. Okay. So if you want, you can take it. You can do same. Okay. But we'll use same because again account if there is any accounting configuration I have to do, again that will be take time. Okay. Sorry, SH. I'm just putting the same 3000. Okay, it's not there in the your plant. Okay, leave it, no problem. Okay, now plant material was extended to the your plant and your sales organization, your distribution channel. Now I'll create the customer number. First I will create a customer number. Okay, so I'll just first create a customer number, BP. Let's create first BP. So BP is BP where we'll create what in the supplying plant, right? In supplying plant we will create a receiving plant as a so I'm just putting that RASH plant. Customer is RASH plant. I'll just put the same. Okay, so I'll just put RASH, and wherever it is required I'm just putting that. So we are creating in the supplying plant. So which country it was there? Which country it was there? It was in the Germany or it is in Canada? You know that? So go to OX10. Let's see. Go to OX10. Enter RASH.
India,
And double content. It is India. Okay. Okay, I'll just put India then. Okay. So 560082. Okay. So I just created that details as well here. Any other details which is required you can create. So I'm maintaining that customer must record, so I'll go for some external number range or any external number range is there. I'll just go to here. So this is the number which is created. Okay, now I'll be extending to the other views which is required. This PP as a I'm just creating customer, so I'll just go to here. So customer we are creating in supply plant, so we need to extend in the GCE. Okay, so I'll just put that all the details here which is required, and you can whatever it is required you can enter. So all the details you can enter. Now the company code data also it is extended. Then I will create for sales data. So sales data also in the supplying sales organization I'm just creating. So GCE, okay, sorry, 1000. Zero 1, and you can maintain all the other details. Whatever it is required, you can details you can do. Delivery priority and other details. So delivering plant, who is the delivering plant here? delivering plant is GCM. So GCM, I'm just entering that. Okay. So now I have created the customer number. Okay, I have created the customer number, but system knows that this customer number, okay, whatever the customer number which is created here, this number is relevant to our receiving plant. That means for RAMS, RASH. How you know that? That we have to be assigned in the SPRO, SAP reference IMG, and go to material management. The material management, go to the material management and purchasing, then go to the purchase order. Where is the purchase order here? Go to purchase order, set up stock transfer order, and in the receiving plant, what is the receiving plant here? RASH. This RASH we are assigning to our customer number. So this customer having the information of what it is there. This customer having the information of who is the supplying plant, who is the delivering plant, right? So I just created the customer number in the supplying company code that is assigned to that in the customer master card. That means in the receiving plant. Okay? Clear? Clear?
Sir.
Now, same if I will create for a XK01, okay? XK01 I will be creating, and here also I will be creating first BP, and I will just take this time is a vendor, some vendor number, I have to create vendor, and the receiving plant I am creating. In the receiving plant I have to create, so receiving plant, the supplying plant is my vendor, so GCM is my plant. So GCM is my supplier. Okay, so GCM have the planter, so that is CA Canada, and I'll just put all the details which is required. Okay, just put all the details and save. This PP was created now. I'm just extending this PP to our vendor related. So FLV N00, FLV N00 company code, which is company code here. I'm just creating this in the receiving company code, right? So RAMA. So RAMA is the Rama. So which is the company code. So I'm just put all the other details which is required and save. Save. And same time I'm just extending to that the purchasing organization data also. So enter purchasing organization. Rama having the any separate purchasing organization data? RAM HR. I'll just put RMS. Okay. We have three. RMC central. Okay. I'll just take RMC. Okay. Now order currency. Here we are order currency. You can put the supply plant currency, right? So CAD currency. Okay. And you can put all the other details which is required, and then you can go to general data. In the general data you can see that this is the vendor number. Okay, this is the vendor number. Save. So when you created here, so in this we need to be assigned that who is the supplying plant. Okay, who is the supplying plant? So who is the supplying plant here? GCEM, right? So I'll go to control. purchasing admission data. There will be a supplying plant here, plant number. I have to assign the plant number here. Plant vendor reputation, data transition, log version. Okay, first let's do other configuration. We'll find after that. Okay, now we have assigned already customer number in the receiving plan. So other than that, we have to do the settings of purchase order. Let's go to MM Material Management and purchase order. Go to purchasing. In the purchasing, go to the purchase order. Okay, and set up stock transfer order. We have to go to set up stock transfer order. And here the first step already we are assigned the customer number, right? The next one is we have to do the delivery type. How we did for enter STO, same here also we have to do, but here the document type is NB because we are just doing the normal buying and selling concept. We are not using STO document type, we are using NB document type only. Okay, so we have to enter the NB document type, and supplying plan GCM, and delivery type here is NLCC. NLCC is the our cross company code stock transfer. Okay, and again it is common here ST delivery. So we have to set this one. So this is already have the entry. Let's check that. Go back, enter the document type NB and enter the your supply plan. So this is already there. Okay, and here it is we are using for subcontracting, right? So now I will be, if you want to create your own customized document type also you can create. Okay, since this is we are using for subcontracting, you can use for your own document type, but I will change now. And I will put NLCC for testing purpose and P. Okay, so save. And here also same procedure. If you want to go for one-step procedure, you can do one-step procedure. If you want to go for two-step procedure, you can go to two-step procedure. So GCM and RA, SH and NB document type. And if you go with one-step procedure or two-step procedure. So this configuration we have to do. Okay. So other than that, okay, from ST side, if any configuration which is required, they have to do. Okay, sales and distribution level. If they want to be do any distributions related like common communication distribution channel and divisions. Okay, and any other settings which is required, you can do that. Okay, but okay, now I'll go to logistic execution also one more time and check the shipping determination. So let's see that shipping determination, the basic shipping determination also. You can check the your configuration of shipping determination, which is like assign shipping point. So I'll just take the 01 0001 and your RA SH. So we don't have that. We'll assign that as well, RA SH, and 1000 is the shipping point. And same we can check for a supply plant also, 01 001 and GCM. I think it is already there because we already use for subcontracting and interest to, so it's okay. Okay, so now we just configure this as well. Okay, now what to do, you have to go to ME21N. Okay, you have to be use your supplier number. What is your supplier number which you created already? You already created, right? This is your supply number. Okay, so you have to enter this supply number here. We are not entering directly supply plant, we are entering the vendor number. Okay, so that it is coming that GCM is the plant, is the supplying plant, and you are creating STO PO in the receiving plant or supplying plant.
The receiving plant.
Receiving, so receiving company code, receiving purchasing organization, I have to enter here. So what is that? RA MC is the our purchasing organization, and company code is Rama, right? So purchasing organization not defined, RASH. So what? Okay, sorry, not RASH, right? RAC something you that RAMC. RAMC.
RAMC.
Yeah. Okay, so exchange rate between the INR and CAD you have to enter. Okay, let's put what is that? Okay, now enter a material number and the receiving plant RASH and how much quantity which is required. So INR, what is the conversion of INR to CAD? So we have to be maintain this configuration. Okay, so in this configuration you have to maintain for exchange rate between the your currency INR and USD. So this is the again FSC what we will maintain. Okay, so enter the rate between the CAD and INR rate type M. So check position and exchange rate is type is M. M is the standard transaction and currency CAD to INR. So CAD to INR is not there. Okay, so I'll be maintaining that. I just put 2025 and one CAD is how many INR?
63.
63. So I'll just put 63. Okay, so one CAD is the so let's try now. So your purchasing organization is not relevant to this plant data. So let's do for that also. Just correct that. So go to here, enterprise structure and sub assignment, material management, and assignment between the purchasing organization plan, and maintain that. Sorry, this is the assignment only, right? So okay, so maintain RA C RAMC and RASH. Okay, code again, create again ME21 and supplier and RMC. Okay, and material number and RASH count mandatory. Why? Because this material for material type TPK, go to OMS2, TPK is the material type, go to this and the quantity value update and go to RASH quantity update and value update is required. Okay, so let's go to ME21 in Okay, and this ISC, all the details which is required, comma, and check other details which is required. Okay, so most of the errors are gone. Okay, let's see what is the enter location. Store location is RA TAFSA, which we have created, or something which okay. Okay, now just click on check here. Okay, so we did for NB document type with supplying plan. This already referred as supplying plan or not? So I don't think this is referred to the supplying plan. Okay, because we have to assign the supplying plant here. Okay, so but we'll check first that is also. The second is whether we need to check here where shipping tab is there or not there. So there is no shipping tab. That means this plant supplier is still not recognized as supplying plant, which is a supplying plant. So one which is like SK02. First we'll sort out this one. So usually what we'll do, we'll be maintaining that supplying plant here. The that field a plant block. Where is that field? Usually in the ECC XK02 will go directly maintain in the purchasing organization, but here there is a field somewhere, the field it was there, will be maintaining, even we just maintain for that. Okay, so it is not here only. Customer number, organization group, block function, ESR, plant relevant, factory represent. What is the type of this material? ZTAG. Let's see. Go to OMSG. Let's find that where it is there. ZTAG.
AST, ZRM. The type is ZRM.
Sorry?
Material type is ZRM.
No, not material type. Vendor account group. I'm just talking. Vendor account group. So here, let me check the plant. There is a plant or site details is there. Even we did for this as well, right? Interest to also we did. I just for add purchasing data, there is a suppress was there. Why suppress was there? Okay, I'll just put this plant. Let me try. Okay, go to change. Now see the plant was there. I'll just assign this plant here. Okay, so what is the plant? Supply plant is GCM. So GCM already assigned to the some other supplier. So So go to, I'll change there, scale 0 to 410. Where it is created, it is CD Doma. Where is CD? Somebody assigned our complaint. Okay, so I'm just assigning here, I'm just demoing here, and assigning to my vendor. Okay, I have to go back. Let's see if we got K02. What is the vendor number? This is my vendor number. Which company code, which purchasing organization it is created in RAMC. K02. What is our company code? BP will go to BP. Check BP, go to BP. This is the vendor. Okay, so here we'll assign the GCM. Now save. Now it is accepted. Okay, I'm just going back. Now let's try again to create PO. Okay, now this is the supplier. In this supplier, I'm just putting that who is the supplying plant also. Okay, so and the other details have to enter here. And now let's try again. Now area assets and enter how many quantity you need and what is the price. Okay, enter the store location also. Okay, enter. So now click on check. Okay, now check that now the shipping tab which is coming or not coming. Okay, so see now the shipping tab is there. Okay, now this supplier which we created under the receiving plant has we informing that the supplying plant. So system recognizing that okay, this is the inter STO because in the supplier we are assigned that it is the supplying plant. Okay, so now the system is considering that our customer number which is created, which is assigned to the receiving plant, and it is considering that the sales organization distribution channel division, and we are also considering that all shipping condition, delivery plan and all. If you want to be enter the shipping condition also, it will come. So if you enter shipping condition in the customer master record, it will come. Okay, clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the way it should be. Okay, it should be captured all the information properly. If you are not maintained properly, then you will get errors. So many errors will get. Okay, So properly have to be maintained. Okay. So in this, what is the field it is? It is field of shipping condition. So shipping condition, if you are maintained, so if you maintain shipping condition 01, it will come there. Okay. So it is coming from the metal master record, and it will come from the properly, it is capturing from customer master record and metal master record all the information. Now I'll go here and enter that. Okay, I have to enter properly the supplier number and okay, clear? Is it clear all? So shipping tab, now it is coming shipping condition also. Okay. So all the information analysis we are assigned in the configuration with a document type and supplement plant and the receiving plant and supplement plant and document type and the delivery type, all this configuration we are assigned now. So analysis which is coming from their customization and shipping point which is assigned for each plant, and this delivery priority and shipping conditions loading, this two is coming from customer master card, and loading group which is assigned in the metal master card, and this customer number which we are assigned already in where we are assigned this customer number. For this receiving plant, this is the customer number which we are already assigned in the setup stock transporter, and we also assigned the sales organization distribution channel division in the that is extended this customer number, right? So now what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? The receiving plant, that means the RASH plant is requesting to GCM plant, okay, we need this material. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now what is the next step? Once the first STO PO was created, the step 1 was created, then next we will be creating the outbound delivery. So same procedure which we are using for VL10D, the same procedure we are using here also. Okay, so VL10D or VL10B, anything which you can use. You can enter purchase order number and you can remove the delivery creation date. If you want, you can enter also, no problem, but it should be based on our delivery date. In the PO delivery date, according to delivery date, you can create. Okay, so now purchase order number and execute. Now I'm just creating the background, the outbound delivery number. Okay, so let's system is trying to create a background. Okay, and then select and click on here, click on here, and click on here. So to see the delivery number here, you can see the delivery number it's created. So this delivery number we have created in supplying plant VL02. They are preparing to send the goods to the from supplying plant. Okay, so you can enter the outbound delivery number here, and you can check the delivery quantity, how much delivery quantity, and if you have the normal inventory inventory management, then you can enter directly picked quantity here. If you have the warehouse management EWM kind of that, you have to be create properly transfer orders and EWM. If it is EWM, then this delivery is distributed to EWM, and from there they will be creating again outbound delivery order and picking, packing, shipping, all it will be happen in the EWM system. Now if it is WM, then you will be create transfer order from here. From transfer order confirmation it will be happen, but now it is MM store location, we just directly entering here, assuming that the picked quantity is completed. So once picked quantity is done, the overall picking status was complete, fully picked, and you can enter that which store location the stock is available, then you can enter that as well. Okay, clear? Now double click on that, and you can also go to condition, and you can maintain the prices here. So these prices will come based on the copy rules. So ST team, they have to be maintain the copy rules. How they will be maintaining? They will be maintaining based on the delivery type. Here you can see the delivery types also. In each delivery having that, they have own delivery type. So here you can see this is the delivery type NLC. NLC is they have this standard stock transfer transaction. Okay, so how we have the item category, like here also they have this item category group. Okay, item category, clear? So this is the control actually from the SD point of view, clear? You can see all the information, whatever it is there, picking information, all this information you can see, loading and shipment, ship to party. Okay, all this information you can see here. Okay, so usually it is needed to assign the procedure. So they will be creating the sales related pricing procedure, and they will be assigning to the properly for their procedures. Okay, V/08 is the procedure to create a sales organization, and VOVM something is there. VOVM is a cancellation procedure. Something it is there. What is there? Pricing procedure. Assignment there is one more transaction code is there. Okay, I will try to do actually because we don't have copy rules, it is very difficult to create a billing. So billing will get error. So they have to be sales under distribution and copy controls for sales organization documents. So this is actually first set copying controls for sales. Okay, so this is sales document type related, but we don't have any sales order, right? So billing to sales document. This sales document related. Okay, maintain display document number advanced written. So ST side they have to do some settings and all. Okay. So how we got in pricing pressure from our side, same they will be getting. So let's see in our first we'll see in our PO we got a pricing pressure or not. Me23 and this is the which we created, and condition. In condition we got a pricing pressure. Okay, so we maintain that all the information. It is normal pricing pressure which we got. Okay, so let's complete first procedure. We'll see it later because we have to do pricing procedure. POVM something is there, the code. No, it's not POVM. Okay, leave it. Okay, now once this packer count is completed, if you have any packing count, you can do packing and also then save. Now you can do the PGA. So since it is a two-step procedure, first it will be issuing from the supply plan. So it will getting the error. So what is the moment type for intra-STO? Did you remember that? Intra-STO.
351.
Huh? Intra-STO. Intra-STO. You are telling MM route, not STO. Forgot, huh?
And 551.
551. What is the purpose of 551? What is the purpose of 551? So there it will come 641. 641 is the two-step procedure. 647 is the one-step procedure. That's why every day I have to do the practice, or else it won't be remember that. Okay. So PJ. Now I'm trying to do the PJ. So now we are getting so many errors, which is like the GL code 643, which is trying to capture the information about 643. Network. Where is the network? It is additional accomplishment tab. Refresh. Business area. Where is the business area? This is additional cost data. Under course movement. That is the suppressor. Then purchase order. Where is the purchase order? Material management only, right? Purchase order. Okay. Check all other. These two are also different. Except check other also. Okay. Now this is okay. Now go back. Go back and paste. So let's go back again. VL02N. PJ. Now, if everything looks good, then it will post the background PGA, post goods issue, with movement type of 643 movement type. If it is a one-step procedure, what is the movement type? 645. Okay, so movement types are very important in interview point of view. So you have to be by heart that. Okay, so here you can see that the picking request is completed and material document also posted. FI this is the already posted 643 movement type. The PJ was completed. 643 is completed. The stock was issued. The stock issued from supply plant, but the receiving plant not completed. Only supply plant, the stock was completed. Okay. So what is the check the stock in transit stock? Where we can check the stock in transit? MB5T. Okay, go to there MB5T, check that any stock in transit right there. So this is the material which is stock in transit. So now just it is in the stock in transit. So what you have to do next procedure? What you have to do? You have to go to VF01 billing. You have to create. You have to create a billing inter STO billing. You have to create. The system will be taking intercompany billing. Okay. The system will be taking the interbilling. Now you can see that here the price which is coming 0. Okay, the price which is coming 0 because in the delivery don't have the pricing procedure properly. If the pricing procedure is there, the copy rolls and all will work and it will come. Okay, but now it was not there. So you might be will try to create manually, that it should come automatically based on the copy rules. PR00, we'll enter PR00. Let's try PR00. The missing pricing procedure. Okay, so what pricing budget will tell here? Okay, so the pricing budget will not. Okay, okay, we'll save, but no accounting documents will be generated. So the billing document was created, but no accounting documents will be created here. Okay, because the price was 0. Usually there should be a price should be impacted here, because we are selling, right? We are selling the price. Selling price should be impacted, and the delivery, if the pricing budget which is coming, it will come. Okay, but I just want to show up this is STO procedure, right? How they will post it. Okay, now this is completed. Now in the MIGO goods is shipped, the GR will be happened based on the delivery, outbound delivery. So I have to enter the outbound delivery number here. So what is the outbound delivery number? Go to VL03 and check the outbound delivery number. This is outbound delivery number. Take this outbound delivery number here and enter the outbound delivery number here. Okay, so you can receive the stock in the receiving brand RASH and TAF. Okay, so it is trying to post now. Let's see if any FI documents will come. So one is posting periods. So RASH is, I'm not sure where, in which MARV, go to MARV, and Rama, in which it is there in 2024 12. Okay, sorry, 2025 8. Now it is 2025 9. So what is the transaction go to open the periods, periods? What is the transaction go to open the periods, periods? PV. Come on guys, you have to do practice. Nothing happened. 2025. Okay, execute. Now I'm just open for 2025. Now see again, go to C69. These are the basic things in the middleman. First of all, you have to learn these all basic things. Okay, now it is in a September month was opened. Okay, so now click on check again. Now that issue was gone. Now we'll be posting. Let's see FI document related issue. So material ledger for Arama is not happened. So material ledger, where we can do the material ledger? How to do material ledger? What is the transaction code to do material ledger?
OM X1.
OM
X2. X1.
OM.
OM X1.
No.
OM X2.
No. Material ledger is different. Material ledger is different.
OM X2.
Now you can see here we already discussed so many time material ledger related. Here you can see material ledger related, and you can also see when we discussing about metal master card or PO, we just discussed about that material ledger how to do. You have to run the 3 transaction codes.
OMX2
and OM X3.
No.
CKM
OMX2 is the
start.
material type. OMX2 is the material type, not
OM X2 is the material type, na sir. OM X.
Okay, not X2. You are telling X1 or OMX. You're talking about this one. You're talking about X.
MX3.
Okay. You're talking about this.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So Rama also. What is the violation area? What is that? RASH.
RASH.
RASH also it is assigned material ledger. Okay, 1000 it is activated, and OMX2 also will be there already. 1000 for this 1000 already there, and OMX3 also already it is there. RASH which is already assigned to 1000. So OMX3 these 3 are okay. Now there is one more T code was there to run the material ledger. What is that T code?
CKM start. CKM start.
CKM start.
Start.
So what is that we have to do?
We have to run the background.
Yeah. So what is our plant?
RASH, the
RASH.
receiving plant.
Okay, RASH. Okay. And remove the background.
Sir, for some reason I can't able to see your
Please look
screen.
at the bin.
For you, Shravan, you are also not able to see my
No,
screen?
sir. Yes, sir. Please share the screen, sir.
Why it's suddenly gone? No, only just now.
Yes, sir. Just
Now it's okay. Now it's
Okay.
okay.
now it's
Okay. Where we are in now? Okay. Okay. Where it's gone? CKM start. Okay. CKM start. Okay. This is RESH and
Yes.
just putting background. Okay. Exit and confirm immediately and just put
LP01.
page 01. I just created the background. So what is the transaction code? SM background job SM 37. So put that schedule execute start. Will release this one immediately. Save. So refresh this one. So this is finished. Okay. Now check now MIGO. If we get still we get error, we have to do one more type, one more which is okay. Now click on check item. Okay, and click on check post. So now that error gone material ledger. Okay, now which we are getting now different BSX OB. Okay, so go to OBYC and BSX and 2025 and what is error 2025 and FTFG blank FTFG blank FTFG. Okay, so I'm just save this one. Okay, now again click on check post. Now the GL account which is not exist, we have to extend that FS00 where we have written one what is the 16 what is the 1666 100 166 okay enter right there this one okay so with template TA okay I'm just creating same okay I'm just creating that okay save. So just I created the GL account because GL accounts are also not there properly not copied.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now possibility okay. So go to again FS00 and go to change and put the stars tax categories tax posting with tax direct it will be allowed. Let's see if it works or not. Okay, postable directly. Okay, it's already 10:20.
Yes.
Okay. Posting directly. Posting keybox PSX. Transaction postable directly. It's coming. Postable directly. Directly checkbox. It will be having the checkbox. Okay, I will create here post automatically only or post directly. Okay, so it's already 10 only. So many errors we are getting. So we'll check tomorrow this. Okay, so this is the procedure. Once MIGO is completed, you have to create a MIRO because we have tier 1 already created, right? MIRO also you have to do. So once you complete the MIRO, that cycle was completed. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
So because I think not properly copied when you created this company code, this is not properly created. So you have to be create one more company code properly with all the required settings. Okay,
Okay.
but it's okay. We can sort it out. That's not a problem. Okay, but what's the problem is keep on you will get so many errors because it's okay. STO process it will complete. Okay, if we completed that, it will complete. But the problem is, okay, if it is you are doing for other procedures, you cannot able to do. But now, what I can try to do, you can post this and can post it. Okay, you can post. Now we are getting FWRX. So first somewhere it is already open. What is the error we are getting? WRX FTFG. So this is also maintained. Now post that. Click on check. Post. Second 2002. None of the GL accounts are copied. 2002. Okay, so how to create for Rama. Where it is there 2002. It was there in the 2024. It is the 2002. It was there in the after. I'll take any of that. I'll just take this one, copy. Okay, now again click on the post. Now we are getting PRD. PRD blank blank FTFG. Okay, so now this is also done. Post. Now 3008. Oh my god. Come on. Three zero eight. 3008 or 4 zeros. 4 zeros. I think TML have that. TAM1. M1. Okay, so it is having the different. Okay, no problem. Click on save and post. Block for posting. Why? Change. Go to change. There is a block here. How to find this? Block for posting. Where they are blocking this? Current company is currently being processed somewhere. It is open already. Okay, block for posting is removed. Make an entry up to cost element category. Okay. First change back. Go to FS00. Go to change. Enter the cost element category here. Cost revenues. What it is revenues? Put something. Then go to here. Change unblock. Okay, now it's unblocked. Again, I'll close this. So if you are not properly created all this, then you will get so many errors. So number range is also not maintained. FPN1. Go to FPN1. What is the company code? Rama. What is the RF? BELEG. 50 is not there. RIBLG. So I'll just maintain that. New entry. Free intervals. You will take free intervals. Put a 50. 999. So I'll put 50. 999. Oh, sorry. It was wrong. I'll just delete. I'll not save. I'll go again. I'll go to intervals. So first go to free intervals and 50 is required. 9999 and select and save. So these are all will be done by FI consultant only. So don't worry. So now again cost element, cost account assignment category was not there. So again for I think what we did for the GCE, all it is coming in the one slot. So we need to assign the where we are assigned OKB8 something. OKB8 somewhere we are assigned. So this cost object we have to assign. Okay, we'll do tomorrow. It's already 10:30. It's still too late for you. We are getting so many things. Okay, so this if it is completed this one, I think mostly it will complete because we are cleared all the errors. Okay, so this already we did earlier also. If you remember that for all so many cases we have got these issues. Okay, so but if you practice the well, okay, you will get you can easily find out all this. Okay, okay, so what you have to do? Okay, P9 for your company code. This is not available. So cost centers are not available. So cost centers also we have to create. No cost centers. Okay. So what is the cost center? How to create a cost center? Do you know that?
Mm.
Cost centers. How to create a cost center? Case 01, no? So in this cost centers we have to create. Okay. So what we can take? We can take existing of cost center anything, and we can copy from there. So what is there earlier? It was there for what is the company code earlier? 1225. We can copy this and try to create. Okay, I have created this Rama underscore CC. Let's try to assign this one for our where is our Rama. Okay, click on it and post. Okay, finally it's posted. So many errors. After that it's posted 101. Okay, so we can see now this purchaser completed the delivery and 643 movement type and on 101 movement type. So inter STO process was completed. So after that again you have to do invoice also MIRO because this is inter STO. So again for inter STO you have to do the your same procedure for what you have to do, same procedure for invoice for PO STO PO. So you can take this STO PO number, you can take and you can do. Okay, so this company code which is taking different company code, I will go to MIRO again and I have to change the company code. So switch to company code and my company code is Rama. Okay, so I'm just entering Rama. Rama don't have the number ranges, so I have to create FPN1 again, not FPN1. This case is different, I think. This is invoice related number range. So to click on the error, where is the error gonna? So NR IV, go to NR IV or SNRO, go to SNRO and we have to go for the invoice related. Where it is gone? You have to know about the which invoice related we have to planning. Okay, you can go to here. This is the document type, we have to go to directly or we have to go to technical information. No, here it's not there. So this number range is missing for the invoice. We'll do one thing, we'll go directly invoice and we'll maintain number range. It's okay, right? To 5 minutes we'll complete this. It's okay, Shravan? It is too late.
Yes, sir. It's too late.
Okay. It's 2 minutes. Let's maintain number ranges first and we'll close this. This is already maintained. But what is the number we got here? What is the number we got here? $51. Okay, so 51 we got. Now again click on here. Okay. So there's sort of some GL accounts also missing. Okay. So we'll see tomorrow. Okay. So once this invoice is completed, the enter STO complete process is completed. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there are so many which is missing. All our GL accounts are missing. You are not copied properly the company code when you created it.
Record.
So we are getting so many errors like when you maintaining for this company code. When I'm trying to do GR, it is coming errors, and now also we are getting errors also. Okay. Okay then. We'll create tomorrow. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Okay.
any questions? As of now, procedure wise, any questions? You need to do practice. If you're not doing practice, then it is everything. It is blank only. So it's very difficult to do all the process at a time. You are skipping all this. Okay. So please complete your testing and all. It is very important. If you are not completed, then it is very difficult to do. Okay. So please do it. Please do the procedures. Okay. Clear? Okay then. Then let's. That for can't communicate, it is not there, but we are trying to create, it's not out. Okay, then leave it. Okay, tomorrow we'll discuss then. Okay.